So here we have a single payment simple interest question where the question it states that Grace had a loan payment of $1,000 due 3 months ago in January. She has another payment of $500 due 6 months from now in September. If Grace decides to make a single payment today, what amount will she have to pay? The interest rate on the loan is 8% per annum, and that is simple interest. So let's calculate this. So to begin with, we'll draw a timeline. So 3 months ago, which was January, so in January, Grace had a loan payment due. It was worth $1,000. It's 3 months now, so now it's March, and that is now. And she wants to make a payment today, and she has another dollars for $500 that is due in 6 months from now, which will be September. For 500. So we need to calculate a single payment today. So we need to calculate the value of $1,000 that will be worth today, and the value of $500 that would be worth, or what would it be worth today. So in the $1,000 case, we'll calculate the maturity value, including the principal plus the interest. And in the $500 case, we'll only calculate the principal because the $500 already includes the interest. So let's begin with the $1,000. So the equation to calculate your principal plus interest is maturity value is equal to principal plus interest. Now your M is equal to your P plus I, where your P is your principal amount and I is your interest amount. We can also write interest as principal times rate times time. So your equation turns out to be M is equal to P plus principal times rate times time, which is your interest amount. So that's another way to write it. And we could simplify this equation by writing M is equal to principal amount times 1 plus rate into times. So to begin with, we have our principal amount, which is $1,000, and we know that your rate is 8%, but it's per annum, so we need to divide it and convert it into a monthly rate, which is 3/12 to get the monthly rate. So in order to do that, we'll just use our calculator. So it's 1 plus 8% into 3/12. We get 1.02. So it's 1,000 into 1.02 is equal to 1,000 times 1.02 is 1020. Now that's half of the question. Now the other half, we need to calculate the principal value. So that we could use the same equation, but we just need to rearrange it a little bit. So maturity value is equal to principal plus interest. So M is equal to P into 1 plus RT, right? So we could rearrange it to solve for P. In that case, it would be just dividing this portion. So it would be M over 1 plus RT is equal to your P. So therefore, your principal amount for this one is equal to your maturity value is 500 divided by 1 plus your rate is 8%, and that is 6 months. So in a year we have 12 months in a year. So therefore we have 1 plus 8% into 6/12, which is equal to 1.04. So it's 500 divided by 1.04. So 500 divided by 1.04, and we will get $480.77. Now, we need to add these two amounts together to get the total amount, which will be a single payment which Grace will make a payment for. So in that case, we'll have the $1,020, which is her maturity value, plus the principal value of $480.77 to get the single payment amount. In that case, we will have 1,020 and 480, so that's $1,500.77. So the total amount that Grace will pay is $1,500.77 on a simple interest basis.